Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Glovo. First, open the Glovo app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Payment Methods. Here, you'll see the option to add a card or sometimes link PayPal, depending on your region. Tap Add a Card, then enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you save it, Glovo may do a quick verification, and your payment method will be ready to use instantly. You can also set it as your default payment method for faster checkouts. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method on Glovo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.